Israeli researchers are using virtual reality games to better understand how people with schizophrenia perceive the world. In this experiment, a subject navigates through a maze of rooms and has to figure out which door to open to exit each one. Their goal is to get through the game as fast as possible, and the correct choice is based on identifying the correct combination of a sound, color, or shape associated with each door. In this case, if a door makes a fax machine sound, it's the correct choice. A combination of sounds and visuals was used to see if unnecessary cues would distract volunteers with schizophrenia, who typically have trouble ignoring audio that isn't relevant. After between 4 and 6 correct choices, the rule was changed and the player had to figure out the new rule. People with schizophrenia often have trouble adapting to change, so the researchers wanted to see how this would affect their gameplay. They found that they performed better if they had been warned that the rule would change than when they didn't expect it to. In a more recent experiment, a subject was guided through these virtual streets and the game was stopped at specific places. The subject had to identify any oddities, in this case the mooing dog. All of the healthy volunteers noticed at least 87% of the unusual items, whereas only 6 of the 43 subjects with schizophrenia scored in this range. The researchers chose to use virtual reality for testing because it allowed them to incorporate different sensory information into one environment. It was also a more engaging testing platform for volunteers.